Hi, this is Mr. Go. Today I'm going to show you guys how to edit your profile in your Canvas course. Now, when you log into Canvas, you actually have your own Canvas account. And the way you know that is by on the upper right hand corner, your email address should be showing up right here if you haven't edited your profile yet. And one of the assignments that I asked you guys to complete is to go ahead and update your profile with your actual name, so first name and last name. And the way to do that is to go to your profile, which is over here on the upper right hand corner. So let's do that. Connect. And when you get to this, okay, this is the new profile that I just created. So I need to go ahead and edit the profile by clicking on this button over here on the right. So instead of my email address showing up right here, what I want to put is my full name. So first name, last name, and then make sure that that display name is in there as well. If you want to go ahead and change the sortable name, I'm going to go ahead and change that. Now, if I want to change my password to something else, I can go ahead and click on this, but I don't want to go ahead and change my password because I just set this up. Now, the other thing that I want to make sure is that this email address is the correct email address that I have, that I'm going to use to be able to receive communications from the course itself. So if you want to add a separate email address, you can click on here, add another email address that you want to register. Okay, but I'm happy with just using one email, and then that's fine. The other thing is, if you want to go ahead and add some other services, like go ahead and add Google Docs. If you already have a Twitter account, you can go ahead and register those services within Canvas as well. But I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and the other last thing is, if you want to go ahead and change your profile pic, you need to go ahead and pick an image. Okay, so I'm going to upload an image if I want. Take a look at my computer if I want to find an image. Okay, in this case I don't want to go ahead and do that yet. Just make sure you select it and then select image, and then that would be it. Cool. Any questions, send me an email at gd.go@hbuhsd.edu, and I'll talk to you guys soon.